If you are serious about digital art, choosing the right drawing tablet can completely transform your creative workflow. From beginners to professional designers, the perfect tablet gives you precision, comfort, and control. In today's video, we are counting down the 5 best drawing tablets of 2026 that deliver outstanding performance, stunning visuals, and incredible value. Number 5. GAOMON M1220. The GAOMON M1220 is an excellent choice for artists who want a balance between portability and performance. It features a 12-inch active drawing area, giving you plenty of room to sketch, design, and create without feeling cramped. Whether you are working on a computer or an Android device, the tablet adapts well, offering a comfortable workspace for both setups. One of its strongest advantages is precision. With a sensing height of up to 10 millimeters and an accuracy of 0.3 millimeters, every stroke feels smooth and highly responsive. This level of control is especially useful for detailed illustrations and professional design work. The tablet includes 8 customizable shortcut keys, along with a function key and a touch ring. These features help speed up your workflow by allowing quick access to zoom, brush control, and scrolling. The touch ring is particularly useful for seamless navigation, making creative tasks feel more fluid and efficient. Another highlight is the AP32 passive pen. It does not require charging, so you can work for hours without interruption. The pen also supports a 60-degree tilt function, giving you better control over shading and line variation. With added multimedia buttons and wide compatibility across Windows, Mac, and Android systems, the GAOMON M1220 stands out as a versatile and user-friendly tablet. Pros and cons: great customization and no pen charging but slightly smaller screen for some users. Number 4. Bosto 12 HDA. The Bosto 12 HDA offers a solid drawing experience with its 11.6-inch high-definition IPS display. The screen delivers vibrant colors and sharp details with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. With 16.7 million colors and a strong contrast ratio, your artwork looks lively and accurate. The wide 178-degree viewing angle ensures you can see your work clearly from almost any position, while the brightness level helps reduce eye strain during long creative sessions. This makes it a great option for artists who spend hours refining their projects. Its battery-free pen adds to the convenience. You do not need to worry about charging, and the ergonomic design helps reduce hand fatigue. With 8,192 pressure levels, the pen captures even the smallest details, making your strokes feel natural and precise. The quick response rate ensures minimal lag, so your drawing feels smooth and responsive. The tablet is also highly compatible, working well with both Windows and Mac systems. It connects easily using a versatile cable setup, making installation simple. Whether you are into illustration, animation, or even online teaching, the Bosto 12 HDA provides a reliable and flexible platform for creativity. Pros and cons: vibrant display and smooth performance, but lower resolution compared to newer models. Number 3. Ugee UE12 Plus. The Ugee UE12 Plus is designed for artists who want a more immersive drawing experience. It features an 11.9-inch full high-definition screen with a fully laminated display. This design reduces the gap between the pen and the screen, giving you better accuracy and a more natural drawing feel. The anti-glare coating is another big advantage. It reduces reflections, allowing you to work comfortably in different lighting conditions without distractions. The stylus is lightweight and feels similar to a traditional pencil. With 8,192 pressure levels and 60-degree tilt support, it allows for detailed and expressive strokes. Whether you are sketching or shading, the pen responds smoothly to your movements. To improve workflow efficiency, the tablet includes a scroll wheel and 8 customizable shortcut keys. These controls help you quickly adjust brush sizes, zoom in and out, or undo actions without breaking your creative flow. Connectivity is also well thought out with dual Type-C ports. This makes setup simple and even allows you to power your device during use if needed. With strong compatibility across multiple systems and support for popular design software, the Ugee UE12 Plus is a well-rounded option for artists at any level. Pros and cons: laminated display and smooth controls, but slightly limited screen size. Number 2. UE16 Graphics Tablet. The UE16 Graphics Tablet stands out with its impressive color performance. It offers a 143% sRGB color gamut, delivering vibrant and true-to-life colors that make your artwork look professional. With 16.7 million colors, it ensures accurate color representation for all types of creative work. What makes this tablet unique is its multiple color space options. You can switch between sRGB, Adobe RGBD, H-IPS, and even black and white mode. This flexibility allows you to adapt the display to different projects and creative needs. The U Pencil stylus takes performance to another level with 16,000 pressure levels. This provides exceptional sensitivity, making every stroke feel natural and fluid. The pen also includes customizable buttons and a pressure-sensitive eraser, adding convenience to your workflow. The tablet includes 8 shortcut keys and a scroll wheel, giving you quick access to essential functions. These controls are designed to improve efficiency and keep your focus on creativity. Overall, the UE16 is perfect for artists who prioritize color accuracy and advanced pen performance. Pros and cons: excellent color accuracy and pressure sensitivity, but may require setup time for customization. Number 1. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro. Taking the top spot is the XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro, a powerful and feature-packed drawing tablet designed for professionals and serious creators. It features a 15.6-inch full high-definition display with a fully laminated screen, reducing parallax and delivering a seamless drawing experience. The large display gives you more room to work, making it ideal for detailed illustrations and complex projects. Every line appears exactly where you expect it, enhancing accuracy and comfort. The PA2 battery-free stylus offers 8,192 pressure levels and 60-degree tilt support. This combination allows for precise lines, smooth shading, and natural drawing movements. Whether you are sketching or adding fine details, the pen performs consistently. Customization is another strong point. With 8 express keys and a unique red dial, you can quickly zoom, scroll, and adjust settings. These controls significantly speed up your workflow and improve efficiency. The tablet is widely compatible with various operating systems and major design software, making it a versatile choice for different creative needs. For anyone looking for a premium drawing experience, the XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro delivers on all fronts. Pros and cons: large, immersive display and excellent controls but slightly higher price range. That wraps up our list of the 5 best drawing tablets for 2026. Whether you are just starting or upgrading your creative setup, there is a perfect option here for you. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite tablet in the comments below.